Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and are doing good. So before moving on to the video, I'll really appreciate if you could take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also press that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please make sure to like the video, comment down below. This will really help me with the YouTube algorithm. Just comment on anything that you feel about the video, nice, not nice, any suggestions, anything. Just comment down below. मुझे बहुत help हो जाएगी. And if you do so, thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. So yeah, having said that, let's just now get into the video. So for today's video, I'll be answering certain never have I ever questions, and I really wanted to do this video for quite some time, but I've delayed it quite a bit now. So I will be answering, like I'll be asking a question and I'll be just saying whether I have done it or if I haven't done it. So yeah, I have taken questions from the Pinterest, and yeah, I'll be answering the questions one by one. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's just get into the video. So the first question is, never have I ever been on a fight with a man. Never have I ever been a fight with a man. No, I haven't really. मतलब fight तो नहीं हुई ऐसे. Yeah, no, I haven't. ऐसे बुरी वाली fight नहीं हुई, थोड़ी बहुत हुई है. So yeah. By fight here I really mean that वो fist fight, वो मारा पीटी वाली fight नहीं हुई है. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever had a crush on a college professor. So college professor, no, not really. Not in my undergrad, not in my postgrad, never really. I haven't had any crush on my college professor. The next one is, never have I ever stolen something from the mall. You mean to say something stolen? No, I haven't really. I haven't. And I think it's not nice to actually steal something from the mall, because पता चलेगा तो फिर तो आपकी इज्जत की तो बैंड बज गई ना. So नहीं, I haven't really. So no. So never have I ever had a crush on someone at the moment. मतलब have a crush on someone at the moment. So no, I mean yes, I do have a crush on someone, but I'm definitely not going to take the name. So in the present, yes, I do have a crush on this one person, but नाम तो मैं नहीं बता सकती. So yeah, just one. Never have I ever lied to a friend. So to a friend, not really, not too much, to be honest. I've always tried to be honest with my friends, but a couple of times here and there, one or two or maybe three times I have, for some reason or the other. So yeah, I might have. Yeah. Never have I ever been dumped. I have. मतलब ये तो होता रहता है ना. I have been dumped. So it's fine, I think. I mean, I don't know, but I hope it's fine. So yeah, I have been dumped. Can't really help, you know. Never have I ever driven drunk. So I don't know how to drive, so सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता. No, I haven't. So never have I ever cheated on someone. I have never cheated on someone, and if you have, please stop it. Stop it. Because I think cheating is a very bad sin. Just a TMI here. Just don't cheat on people. You can actually just tell them if you don't like them, or if something happens, just tell them and just do whatever you want to. But do not cheat. मतलब have that much of humanity. Come on, yeah. Don't do that. It just breaks you. And I don't think so you would want that, or you would want anyone to do that to you. So don't. Never have I ever failed an illness. So illness, sick, मतलब हाँ मैंने स्कूल में किया है ये, मैंने कॉलेज में भी किया है एक दो बार. Just when I don't wanted to go somewhere or to hang out or something, for some reason I have done that. So yeah, I have. I'm probably gonna do it further also. So yeah. Never have I cried for no reason. I mean, this should not be even a question. I have cried for no reason multiple times. मतलब I'm a cry baby, okay? So I cry very often. Not that does not make me anything else, but I do cry. I mean, it's just the way how I release my stress, my sadness. That's just the way I do it. So yeah, I have. Fangirled on someone. So fangirl, yes, I have quite a bit. Korean man, Ji Chang-wook, Lee Min-ho, Park Hyun-sing, a lot of them. So yeah, I have. अभी तो फिलहाल कोरियन है, पहले और भी बहुत थे, बट अभी फिलहाल कोरियन है. सो yeah, works. Never have I ever broken a bone. I haven't, luckily. बहुत कुछ अलग अलग चीजें हुई हैं, but not broken a bone. So yeah, I haven't. Been on a fist fight. I have not been on a fist fight with anybody. मतलब ऐसे थप्पड़ वप्पड़ मारा है मैंने, बट ऐसे fist fight जैसा कुछ तो नहीं हुआ है. So yeah, not really. Never have I ever failed a test. I have failed in a stupid test, which, I mean, I don't know why I have to give you a lot of backstory for you to actually explain. अगर मैं ऐसे ही बोलूंगी subject में fail हुई, you will start to judge me, and I don't want that. So I have to give a backstory. So if you're interested, you can text me and ask me. I'll tell you. So anyway, never have I ever embarrassed in public. So embarrassed in public, probably yes, I have multiple times. Not multiple, but yes, a couple of times. School life, I remember I have been embarrassed really bad. So what happened? We were going to our school, and I was in my school bus. So there was this bumper, speed breaker, and the bus went like this, and I also went like this. Inside the bus, obviously, I was on my seat, and I just went like this, like छलांग मार के मैं ऐसे हो गई. That was a very embarrassing moment for me. I remember it still. My friend was beside me, and it was a very bad and a very embarrassing moment for me. So yeah, that's that. Don't judge me, please. Never have I ever pretended to know a stranger. I have pretended to know a stranger 2 or 3 times probably. So yeah, I have. For whatever reason, for some reason or the other, I don't really remember reasons, but yeah, I have done that. So yeah. Never have I lied in a job interview. So no, I haven't. Not yet. I have not given many interviews in my life, so I haven't really lied. But I think I should have lied this one time. So it would have been really nice, but I haven't. Abhi tak to nahi kiya, and I should have. But never have I ever sneaked out of my house. I haven't. And I think Indian moms को पता चलेगा वो आपको घर से ही बाहर निकाल देगी. And she'll be like, if my mom gets to know that I sneaked out sometimes, she'll be like, घर से बाहर निकलो and sneak out for the rest of your life. Because no, yeah, you can't do that. You can't do that. Men or women, I don't think so. Anybody can do that. So don't do that, because Indian moms will like throw you, kick you out of the house. So don't sneak, kids. Don't. Even if you're not kids, don't sneak. Just don't. Okay, so having said that, I have answered a couple of questions, and I hope you enjoy the video. और अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज लाइक और कमेंट कर दीजिएगा. YouTube algorithm में बहुत हेल्प हो जाएगी मुझे. And if you have any suggestions, you can always leave down a comment. And also follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. Check that out, and I hope you enjoy the video. Check my other videos out. I have made quite a bit of videos here and there. So guys, please stay safe. Stay with your family. Have fun with your family. Play games and do other things. But do not step out of your house, because the situation is worse. And I think we all can just be at our homes for some time so that everything just gets normal. And yeah, with that being said, I'll take your leave. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
And our hands attack and fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight?